I'm Xander Hyde.
And I'm Clyde Williamson.
We are Neon News, reporting about
Energy and Matter. Now introducing our special guest,
Skippy Milkerson, our expert analysis on energy and matter.
Hi, I'm Skippy Milkerson. I am here to talk about everything you need to know about energy and matter. Energy processing is when all organisms use a source of energy for their metabolic activities. Some organisms capture energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy and food. Different species all have energy and matter.
I agree with Skip, and that's a great way to start off this segment. Next up, we have Tate Berkinson talking about photosynthesis.
Hi, my name is Tate Berkinson, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Photosynthesis converts energy from the sun and light from the sun into food from carbon dioxide and water.
Now introducing Titus McGuigan, here to define energy and matter.
Matter is the stuff of the universe, the atoms, molecules, and ions that make up all physical substances. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Energy is the capacity to cause change. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be conserved and converted from one form to the other. And now we got Brett Bradford here to show the connection between energy and DNA.
My name is Brett Bradford, and I'm here to talk to you about DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule composed of two chains that coil around each other to form a double helix carrying genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. Three things you need to know about DNA is that the proteins transfer energy based on certain gene energy levels fluctuate, and nucleotides hold an enormous amount of energy in the bonds. And now, a few words from our sponsor,
Bounty, the quicker picker-upper.
As Einstein showed us, light and matter are just aspects of the same thing. Matter is just frozen light, and light is matter on the move.
Albert Einstein's most famous equation says that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin. But what does that really mean? And how are equations famous? Here to answer that question is Brad Jenkins.
Hi, I'm Brad Jenkins. The origin of E equals mc squared lies in special relativity. Light is the same speed no matter what frame of reference you're in, no matter where you are or how fast you're going. The same effect occurs with quantum particles, and not just with light. A neutron, for example, can decay into a proton, electron, and antineutrino.
And now we're going to hand it back to Tate Berkinson to further elaborate on the connection between energy and ecosystems.
Energy is transferred through an ecosystem in steps, making up a food chain or a food web. The food web is really an energy flow system, tracing the path of solar energy through the ecosystem. Solar energy is absorbed by the primary producers and stored in the chemical products of photosynthesis. As these organisms are eaten and digested by consumers, chemical energy is released. This chemical energy is used to power new biochemical reactions, which again produce stored chemical energy in the consumer's bodies.
And I want to give a special thank you to all the professionals who came out and spoke tonight.
And also a big shout out to our sponsor. Without them, this episode wouldn't have been possible, Bounty Wipes.
Stay clean.